In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the language in Asana so you can personalize your workspace and make your workflow more comfortable, especially if you are working and collaborating with a global team. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and click the Open in Browser. This will forward you to the main dashboard. From here, I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon. Click the Settings, and then on the Settings tab, I want you to click the Display. This will give you the ability to change the language in the drop-down menu. You can select the language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so for example, if you are going to be using Deutsch, French, Indonesian, Italian, and a lot more, you can do so. By default, your language will be set to your local region or area. It depends if you are using a VPN, that could play a factor, but it's going to be like English for me. And if you wanted to change that, for example, to Chinese or Japanese, just click the Save and Reload. Now, changing the language in Asana helps you navigate tasks, projects, and settings more easily. It helps teams working on different countries stay aligned. If you want to revert back, you have the ability by clicking the right-click option here in Google Chrome and click the Translate to English. Alright? That would be another way. But my suggestion is go back and repeat the same steps. Go to the settings, go to the section here, and then click the English, and it will be reverted back to the main language that you prefer. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.